HSL curves are an essential tool for enhancing your footage and helping it stand out. Recently, I filmed a beautiful airplane using the Lumix S52X. While editing, I noticed some unpeeling green reflections below the wings. I'm explaining to you a simple yet effective trick for removing unwanted colors. We use the HSL curves and navigate to the Hue versus Saturation tab. Select the green color and decrease its saturation. You can now adjust the selection range to suit your preferences. I encourage you to experiment with HSL curves in your next film project. They are powerful tools and understanding their use case can significantly enhance your work. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.